Queens, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my nails at home and get them to look like this using no acrylic or polygel. To begin the application process, you're going to need a cuticle cutter, a cuticle pusher, a double-sided nail file and some full cover false nails. My nails I purchased off of Amazon from a company called Pretty Poppet. They come in a pack of 500 and they were £7.95 without glue. I always begin my nail applications by pushing back my cuticles and removing them. If there is a step that you miss, you don't want to miss this step. This really helps for the nail to look natural. So you want to make sure that you push back and remove your cuticles. I did just come out of the bath, so my cuticles were relatively soft. You can either soak your fingers or use a cuticle cream. So once I'd figured out what size nails I was going to use, I separated them and laid them out separately away from the bags. Here I'm just double checking there's numbers actually inside the nails themselves as well. So I'm just making sure that everything is the same. And you want to make sure that you use the buffing side of a nail file to remove the shine from your natural nail bed. This part will help the glue and the false nail to stick to your nails. So once I was finished buffing, I wiped over my nails and went in with a nail protectant. I have missed this step in the past and ended up really damaging my natural nail, causing them to be super sensitive, very soft and brittle, and they just wouldn't grow, and I was unable to get acrylics. So I would recommend that you purchase a nail protectant and make sure that you apply this before the application of any kind of nails. Once the nail protectant has dried, I like to put glue on my natural nail and then apply the false nail. This technique is definitely up for debate. I know in the nail shops they like to put the glue on the false nail. I think the difference is with this technique is that it's actually a full cover nail, so you'll find that you kind of want the glue to be all over your nail so that when you do lay the false nail down, it looks a little bit more neater. You'll see what I mean if you do it the opposite way around, because you'll be able to see sort of where there isn't glue from beneath the nail. I apply from the tip. I'm holding the nail at the tip, and when you push down, the color changes. That's the glue spreading across the nail, and that's how you want to make sure that you apply them. There you can see that they're looking very natural. You can see the color of my natural nail bed underneath the nail. Here I'm just using the spoolie to kind of push the skin down, because where the glue spreads, sometimes it can be a little messy. So initially I did shape the nails into a coffin shape, which is my signature shape. But I quickly realized by the next day that actually this particular brand of nails isn't strong enough to accommodate a narrow kind of shape. So if you want to do stiletto or coffin, these are not the brand that you should buy. So I just ended up redoing my left hand and keeping them square. So after I go in with the base coat, I followed up with this super sexy red nail polish by Rimmel London. It's actually a 60-second super shine nail polish. It's supposed to dry in 60 seconds. I don't know if it took 60 seconds after 2 coats, but what I do know is that it does dry faster than most nail polishes, which is a plus, obviously. And to be honest with you, I don't even know why I chose red, guys. Like, quarantine has got me acting up. Like, I wanted red nails. I wanted sexy long red nails, and I'm about to do some sexy long lashes. If you haven't seen my previous video, DIY natural lashes at home, go and check that video out. I will link it up above this video. But yeah, I was really happy with how it turned out. And here I just went in again with an extra coat of shine with some clear nail polish. So these nails lasted me around 10 days. There are loads of suppliers on Amazon that you can get a little bit more durable nails from. I'm loving the color, I love the finish. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you next time. Mwah.